everyone. Hope you all had a profitable day today. Nifty as expected opened on a very narrow range, as I mentioned in my pre-market video. I already told you that market will not cross, can say in a day candle here. As I told you, it has got a very resistance at these levels, and I just told if in case there is a 15 minutes breakout from these levels, then there can be a upper trend. So again, there was a sell-off as usual from these higher levels. Okay, and entire day the market was on the narrow range. So today we started with day with, as I mentioned here, you can see there was a bearish engulfing pattern. So I mentioned here, but we could update the calls later. And this an engulfing candle was on a very big candle. As a result, we didn't initiate any sell trade on that candle. We started our day with the oil on the cash market call. You can see here oil. So the buy was above 197 and it did not trigger. So above 197, it did not trigger. So the call was not initiated. And our second call was on Glenmark Pharma futures to sell below 420. And you can see Glenmark Pharma here below 420. You can see the rates here 420. You can see the rates here. So it did not cross below 420. So even this call was not initiated. We gave a call on Bank Nifty at 41,328 futures levels. This was a scalping trade. It was here. So the buy was initiated here at these levels, and the stop loss was hit here. But I was mentioning to my clients saying that not to put the stop loss here also because there was no close below that levels. Okay, but initially it went and hit the target one. I will show that message also, and also my also we are given a call 41,300 call option buy above 333 target 361 and stop loss was 298. I will show that call later. And also we gave Adani Port futures buy above 846 target 856 and 865. You can see Adani Port the buy here around 846 was triggered and target 1 of 856 and target 2 of 865 both was achieved in futures. I think it is around 1800 is the lot size. So people have made very good profit in this. And later we gave one more call that is on Godrej Property Futures. Godrej Properties did not move much. We told to buy above 1265, it went up to 1268 and cost to cost. So no much of profit, maybe a brokerage loss. And later we gave a call on, you can see after all the updates, see the entire Bank Nifty was on a full narrow range. There was no much of movement. And we gave a call on Britannia. Britannia buy above 3,810 futures, target 3840, 3865. And you can see Britannia here. It crossed 3810 here and target was 3840. The high made was 3838.45. So even this gave a decent returns for all the clients. Yeah, and also you can see here, I would like to show this one regarding the Bank Nifty stop loss for this. So I mentioned here, see exit after 2:15 p.m. if below 298. Okay, exit after see. So if I always keep on telling the close should be below 298. So coming to this point here, Bank Nifty. Yeah. So what did I say here? If you can read the message again, exit after 2:15 p.m. if below 298. Okay. So 2:15 p.m. So if you come to the chart here, 2:15. Yeah, this is the 2:15 candle. Okay. So you can see the close here. You can see in these levels here. You can see the close. Okay. Because I always tell the stop loss should be below always. Okay. So you can see 215 I told it should be below 298. You can see the closing was around 300, and you can see the next also it has closed around 294. So what the condition says in my earlier videos which I told, the stop loss candle, okay, so it should break that low. So what we have to do is we have to keep this candle's low, that is 286, as a stop loss, and we have to still hold on to the trade. Okay, so then you can see the next candle went up to 311, and later it went higher and hit the target 1. Okay, so this is more important, that is you have to keep the stop loss below the close. Sometimes it's going to be just a kiss trade, it will come with your stop loss and then it will zoom up. Okay, so people with less capital, I agree, when it goes below your levels, you will feel nervous, or you would like to get out of the thing. But what I tell you from my experiences, you need to wait. I know when it goes below, you need to have a buffer on those rates, because suddenly bank nifty will, from the levels, it will come 20-30 rupees below it the stop loss and then go higher. So always you have to wait for the close. As I mentioned, I kept on repeating about the closing part always, not only for this call, or even I always tell for buying. Okay, so you should always close above this. You see, the thing was the call was given somewhere around here, but it got closed here in this level. Okay, and then we took a trade and then it came down here. So every day we can't have a profitable trade in bank nifty because it is very volatile. Okay, so have your proper money management, and position sizing is always very important before taking any trade. So, thank you for all your support. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. Kindly consult your financial advisor before taking any trade. All these calls are only for education purpose. If you'd like to join our Telegram group, the link will be given below. So kindly do join, and support us if you like our calls. Thank you and have a great weekend.